alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillah. Alhamdulillah. Hi friends, do you know dua for when you sneeze? I will teach you. When one of you sneezes, he should say, all praise is for Allah, Alhamdulillah, and his brother or companion should say to him, may Allah have mercy upon you, Yarhamukallah, and he should reply back to him, may Allah guide you and rectify your condition. Yahdikumullahu wa yuslihu balukum. Jazakallahu khairan.